Once I drifted out of sin, and no hope nor joy within, and my soul was burning down with pride. Then my Savior came along, and He showed me I was wrong, and He placed me on the winning side. Well, I'm on the winning side, yes, I'm on the winning side. Out of sin no more will I abide. I'm enlisted in the fight for the cause of truth and right. And the Lord, I'm on the winning side. I will never have a fear, for my Lord is ever near, and in Him